and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a small flower and I'm going to use this mercerized cotton. We have our yarn needle. I'm going to use my 2mm crochet hook and we have our scissors. So let's set this one aside. I'm going to make use of both ends, so double pull. This is a very easy and very short video. So what we need to do is make a magic ring. And chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Make 1 double crochet inside the ring. Chain 3. And slip stitch. So you're going to repeat this one 3 more times. So we'll be having 4 petals. So again, chain 3, double crochet on the ring, chain 3 again, and slip stitch. So now we have 2 petals. Don't worry about the looks, we're going to fix it later. So our 3rd petal, chain 3 again, 1, 2, and 3. Then make 1 double crochet again, chain 3 again, and slip stitch. So now we can pull this one a little bit. And now we're going to make our last petal, chain 3, double crochet, and chain 3 again. To close it, slip stitch. So now we have a complete set. Of petals, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we can pull this one, but don't pull it so tight because we're going to make our slip knot inside the ring again. So on the 2nd round, chain 3 again. And make 1 single crochet on our double crochet. So this is the middle. So make 1 single crochet on that one. Chain 2. And go back on the same double crochet and make another single crochet. Chain 3, this is the reason why I told you not to pull this one so tight, because now we're going to slip stitch on the ring. Let's move on our next petal. The same thing what we did with the first one, chain 3. Find your double crochet and make a single crochet on that one. Chain 2 and go back on the double crochet and make another single crochet. Chain 3 and slip stitch on the ring that will be in between two petals. So chain 3 again. This is our double crochet. Make 1 single crochet on that one. Chain 2, and then one single crochet again, and then chain 3 and slip stitch in between those two petals to close the other petal. So the same thing with our last petal, chain 3, 1 single crochet on our double crochet on top of it, chain 2. So instead of making a picot, we're not going to slip stitch here, but instead we're going to make 1 single crochet again on top of that double crochet. Chain 3 and slip stitch. And now we are ready to close our flower. Fasten it off and we can cut our yarn. Now you can close the middle part. So now we are ready to close. What I do is I put it upside down and I pull one at a time. And then I will just make a simple knot. To make it secure, more secure. And then you can take your yarn needle and then we can weave our end. So now you have your first flower. This flower you can finish in just a few minutes, and you can see I have made several of this of different colors. This is great for scrapbooking, for school project. You can even add in the middle, you can add a small seed bead and you can make a bouquet out of it. This is a very easy beginner project. Making a magic circle is so easy. I made it so slow so that beginners can follow easily. And these flowers, if you don't have the time or you don't know how to crochet, it's available on my shop. I will just put the link on the description down below, as well as our stitch markers. This is also available on my shop, so I'll just put all the links on the description down below, as well as the yarn needle organizer. So that's it for today. As I told you earlier, it is a very short video tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed watching and see you again soon on my next video.